listen করে তুই কোন কাছে
Thank you very much for the warm welcome. I thoroughly enjoyed the welcome song. I'm very delighted to be here this afternoon with Rabi High School. I used to hear the name Rabi High School, but I had never visited this school. And now I can, even though I will be on the mainland, but I can visualize the school. How the school is located, and the fact that I meet the students as well as the teachers and the principal. So these memories I'm going to carry with me when I leave Rabi Island. It has been a pleasant morning for us. As a team, we arrived here and we went to Barnaban Primary and we experienced that first happy environment which Rabi is known for. And the music, the songs and dance simply brings that smile on your face. No matter how grumpy you are, because you had to get up early in the morning to catch the boat, but as soon as you hear the music, you are with the rhythm. So that was a very interesting experience for us, and we thank the people of Rabi for putting up such a great performance from the morning. dance that you performed and the singing that went, which we could hear, loud and clear, was quite entertaining. So thank you for entertaining us with the song and dance. And you are absolutely right when you talk about identity. You were able to display the cultural identity of the people of Rabi Island. And I could also see that our students are very good at singing and dancing. Now this is the talent that they need to take it forward. At this juncture, I also would like to acknowledge the head teacher, the teachers present here, the students, parents, and the representative from the Rabi Council, our divisional and district officers, plus the staff from Ministry of Education, Heritage and Arts, and media representatives. It gives me great pleasure to be here in this school at this moment. To me, it's a dream come true. I've always wanted to visit Rabi, and here I am. It's such a happy place. You feel the love, you feel happiness. And it's what makes this place so different. It's the people. It's the people of Rabi. And because of your love, the warmth that you give makes other people, your guests, your visitors, so welcome. And we feel very much at home. And we also feel part of Rabi Island now. Hopefully we can learn some of your words or your language so that we can use it for our communication. But I also take this opportunity to thank all the teachers for the job that you are doing. We appreciate that. This is a rural school, but the school management committee and the teachers have maintained it very well. So thank you for doing that. I do understand the cost of maintaining a school building on a maritime island as compared to maintaining a school building in the urban area. Because you can easily get the resources that you need. But for an island school, you need to get it transported. But despite all that hassle that is involved in it, I'm looking after the school very well. And I just love looking at the students. They're quite excited. At least it's time out of their studies today because they have a busy time school. And they're all excited. I can see the excitement of them. But I want to tell the parents as well as the students who are seated here that the government and the Ministry of Education, we strongly believe in the education of our children. In other words, in your education. We believe that education can be a very strong foundation for our children. They can achieve the dreams, they can achieve anything they desire, and that is possible through education. From the national perspective, we would like to build a knowledge-based economy. And to build a knowledge-based economy, what we need is students who are tech-savvy, students who are innovative, students who can display their creativity. And today we have seen just one aspect of their creativity. But that is our focus, and we strongly believe that we need to move with time. And with time simply means that we have to make our schools more towards making the classroom more towards e-learning center.
Oh, nice.
Madam Premila Kumar. On behalf of the head teacher, stakeholders, staff, and students of Fijian Primary School, I take this time to thank you all for visiting our school. Despite the many commitments that you have, with us today. And we hope that you had enjoyed your short stay with us. Have a blessed, safe trip back. Thank you. God bless you all. I shall ask the school to show their appreciation in the Barnabas way.
All right.
For the first time ever, to have the Minister for Education, Heritage and Arts to visit our school.
I'm just lost for words. We got up very early this morning to catch our boat and to be in this school. And in the boat, as we were all seated, we could see that everyone was looking tired because we had to get up early. But as we arrived, the atmosphere in the school was amazing. You just woke all of us. You created such a happy environment, and we are also delighted to be here. And I would like to acknowledge the head teacher, the school manager, the school management committee members, the provincial council member, the teachers, parents, and students for such a warm welcome and for accepting the team that came from the mainland to pay a visit to each and every school that is here on this island. The purpose of my visit is, of course, to meet the teachers, meet the students, meet the school management committee members, the head teacher, and to understand some of your issues that you are facing in the school, areas where you need assistance, and at the same time to thank the work that the teachers are doing for the children. We greatly appreciate the work the teachers have been doing over the last 2 years, because during last 2 years we had COVID-19, schools were closed, but the learning continued. You have worked around the clock to make sure, just to make sure that the last 2 years that we have lost, simply because the schools were closed, should not affect our children. always a pleasure to meet the students and to see the school itself. And I would like to give credit to the head teacher for looking after the school so well. It's very neat, clean, tidy, and this is how the school should be kept, even if it is rural. Yeah, only one suggestion, just put some big trees around so that the children they can't go in the bush, but they can sit around, under the tree. And that's about it. Otherwise, the school looks good and the students are looking happy. So, all in all, it's pretty good. So the children who really need a bed, the head teacher can make it. And their stationaries in it as well. But these are the tablets that we're going to give to the school and for the students to learn from the tablet. You all like using mobile phones?
Yes.
You use computer?
Yes.
At home? Your parents' laptop or tablet?
Yes.
Some yes, some no. But that's fine. We got few tablets that you can use here in school. All right? Your teachers will give it to you so that you can use it in school. Okay? So thank you very much, Vinanga.